Ford Escape transmissions slipping cannot be permanently fixed with a simple software update if the hardware is damaged. To actually cure the slip, perform a fluid drain to check for metal shavings, then replace the warped valve body or broken drum bushing, causing the pressure drop. Dealerships often push a quick module reflash when your Escape hesitates. This software flash resets adaptive learning tables to temporarily mask the shudder. It forces the transmission to pump fluid differently to compensate for wear. Once those parameters max out, the aggressive slipping returns because the physical clearance issues remain. The real culprit in these transmissions is a critical loss of hydraulic pressure. A warped valve body fails to route fluid correctly, or an internal bushing shifts and blocks fluid ports. When fluid cannot engage the clutch packs firmly, the transmission slips. No code update can flatten warped aluminum or reseat a metal bushing. Start by draining your transmission fluid and checking the pan. If the fluid smells burnt and contains metal flakes, the clutch packs are destroyed and require a full rebuild. If the fluid is dark but free of debris, installing a remanufactured valve body is the permanent mechanical fix your Escape needs.